Okay, ready. Wow.
Did it without holding her nose.
Cool.
She's better than Grandma. Because Grandma can't do it.
You dancing? Yeah. How do you get in the pool, Jake? Do you jump in? Huh? Do you jump? Do you have to wait for the float to be there or somebody to be there? Do you step in there? What do you do? Well, don't get that, no. Have to fill up the water. We have to fill up the pool some because it's a little low. Okay. Just leave it in the pool.
We needed to.
Okay, let's leave it down inside the water. Let's get in. Okay, Daddy wants to get in, okay? It's hot out here. Okay, let go now. Jacob, let go. Thank you. There you go. Come on, let Daddy get up here. You want to go take a nap then, like you should have been? Or be a good boy? I know you want to be a good boy. Yeah, go swimming.
Come on. 1, 2.
See you go in. Let's see you go in. Oh, he's kicking. Whee, yeah.
Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, Jacob jumped in. Good job.
Kick those feet. Right. Kick them.
Kick him, swim, yeah. Okay, gotta be careful. All right.
You want to do it again?